on the road again. We're out and about in the old Duramax. We're just headed up to Kolob to help a buddy with a snowmobile that broke down. I guess we're probably just gonna flat tow it out of there and get it back on the trailer, but we're in the old Duramax with the tilt bed. What a beautiful day in southern Utah, 37 degrees, clear, calm weather. Man, there ain't a better day to go on a snowmobile ride. Look at them, look at that view out that window. That's my office. It doesn't get any better than that. We met some random guy from Dubai. He's gonna go with us. I don't know if he's ever been in the snow. Yeah, I probably should. Just like every snowmobiling trip I've ever been on. Rookie mistake. That's a rookie mistake. Hey, there's a fence right there. Or a tree.
Don't be filming this. Too late. Too late.
Rookie mistake. The thing is nobody knows who nobody is.
We got helmets on. And
yeah. See?
hi. So I was going to go through here a couple of times, you know, to pack it down.
Man, what a day to go snowmobiling. Don't you agree?
Isn't it beautiful?
It's beautiful. You gotta remember, that machine don't ride like yours, so if you look back and he's gone, you'll know you bucked him off. Yep. time on the mountain. We got up there and got that little cabin shoveled off, got that snowmobile towed off, had a pretty dang good time with the crew. What a blessing it is in life to have friends like that and be able to get the opportunity to go out and help each other out. That was definitely a good time, so thanks for jumping in there and coming along for the ride. We'll catch you on the next one.